In primetime news this evening, no winner yet, but Joe Biden inching closer to victory in US presidential election. Lawyers for President Donald Trump mounting legal challenges to the count in key states. And bruising contest. PNP makes another attempt at soothing tensions between rival camps ahead of this weekend's presidential election. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts about the outcome of the US presidential election?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.